Applications of inequalities can be solved using the following steps. Step 1, read the paragraph. For context. Step 2, identify what you're looking for. Step 3, convert the math phrases into inequality notation and assign a variable. Step 4, translate the situation into an inequality statement. Step 5, solve the inequality and graph the solution on a number line. Step 6, check that your answer makes sense. And 7, give the solution in interval notation. And write your findings in words. Sometimes the last part here is not necessary based on the context, but usually it's a good idea to state your findings. Let's take a look at example 1. Tanisha graduated from college and got a job in sales. She earns $20,000 per year plus a 2% commission on any sales she makes. She wants to earn at least $100,000 each year. What will her total commission sales need to be to achieve her goal? So first, let's go ahead and highlight what the part we need to find is. We need to find her total commission sales to be able to achieve her goal. We can set this up as an inequality by stating her mathematical situation. We know she makes $20,000 without selling anything. But we also know that she will get a 2% commission, which is 0.02, times whatever her sales value is. So we'll make that X. Her commission sales are X. We want that to be at least 100,000. So we want it to be greater than or equal to 100,000. We can now solve this inequality. We're subtracting 20,000, which will give us 0.02. X is greater than or equal to 80,000. And now we need to determine how much the value of her sales will be to make $80,000 in commission. So if we divide that 80,000 by 0.02, we get 4 million. So she will need to sell $4 million or more of product to earn a commission of 80,000 and make at least $100,000 a year. We can graph this as 4 million, and we want X to be greater than or equal to that, so it would be a closed dot at 4 million with an arrow to the right. Our solution interval would be a right bounded bracket on the left, 4 million, comma, infinity, and a right bounded parenthesis. In example 2, we have Bryce's friend is organizing a destination vacation lasting 3 full days, and Bryce has saved $400 so far. He plans to babysit for $20 per hour to save the rest. He expects to pay $393 in airfare and $575 for food and entertainment, and $78 for his share of a hotel room each night. Determine at least how many hours of babysitting he'll need to pay for his trip. So we'll go ahead and highlight what we need to find. We need to find how many hours of babysitting he'll need to pay for his trip. We'll go ahead and call that X. We could call it H. It doesn't really matter. But we know that he's saved $400 so far. He'll have to make an additional $20 per hour times the number of hours to make at least, meaning greater than or equal to, the cost of his vacation, which will be $393 plus $575 plus 78 times the 3 nights he'll be there. So this inequality will need to be simplified quite a bit. If we add up all the stuff on the right side, we should get $1,202. And if we add everything on the left, we'll get 400 plus 20x is greater than or equal to 1,202. If we subtract 400 from both sides, we should get 20x is greater than or equal to 802. If we divide by 20, x is going to be greater than or equal to 40.1 hours. If we graph this, it will be including 40.1 with an arrow to the right because more hours doesn't hurt, and our interval will be a left bounded bracket 40.1 comma infinity and a right bounded parenthesis. This means that he'll need to babysit for at least 40.1 hours to pay for his vacation.